Stay with me for the entire video for smothered oxtail in black eyed pea sauce. Oh, hi there everyone, this is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright family and friends, it's your Jamaican girl and it's time to cook. So I'm gonna soak my black eyed peas in some boiling water guys with my garlic and some salt for about 2 hours. Next family and friends, I move to coat my air fryer pan with some non-stick olive oil spray. After that my oxtail guys, and I'm gonna air fry on both sides for 15 minutes. Now family and friends, this one promises to be good, so I invite you to hit that like button, leave your comment guys, share my video with your friends and encourage them to subscribe to my channel. Now family and friends, just look at how awesome this looks. It's coated and now I'm going to turn it over, put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees guys, and then air fry for another 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Sizzling, sound good, look good guys, and it's ready to be pressured. Now family and friends, this kitchen smell good already, so it's time to put this all in the pressure pot guys with the sauce. And then guys, I'm gonna add to this my herbs and spices. I have some rough chopped onion guys, I'm adding some garlic to this, some sprig of thyme and some ginger root, and then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to this, and next gonna add some Maggi browning sauce. I'm gonna cover it to pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes. I invite you my whimsical family to add to the comment, tell me where you are watching from, and I will send you an extra special big up. Now after 15 minutes guys, it is all pressured and ready to go. I remove it from the sauce. I'm gonna use the same sauce guys to pressure my black eyed peas. I add the black eyed peas to the sauce, cover it to pressure for about 10 minutes. It's time for my dollop of spiritual encouragement. It comes to us from Psalms 46 verse 1. I'm gonna encourage you guys to place your confidence in God because He is a very present help in time of trouble. Now family and friends, it's time to put all the ingredients together. It's another day. So in my Dutch pot guys, I have a tablespoon of butter to that. I've added some onions, I stir fry them in, and then I add to that some carrots. Now family and friends, it's time to add the black eyed peas. I'm using half of the black eyed peas. Next family and friends, I will add it to that the ginger. I will chop it finely. This is the same ginger I used when I was pressuring the oxtail, and then I'm gonna add to that my oxtail. Now family and friends, you can leave it as it is. For me, I don't want to taste a big piece of ginger in my meat, and so I chopped it finely. Next, I add half cup of coconut milk, cover my pot guys, and allow my coconut milk to cook in. After about 7 minutes, this is what it looks like. It smells good, done. I add to that a tomato. I've added an assortment of bell peppers, some hot pepper guys, fresh thyme guys. I then taste for salt and pepper. I then add to that a little bit of garlic salt guys. Allow this to simmer, and then it's all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. This was my absolute pleasure doing this for you. Please remember to like, to share, to subscribe, turn on your post notification, share my video with your friends, encourage them to watch and to subscribe. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, and I'll see you next week.